How's it going, guys? My name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. Today we're going to take you through a new listing. Super cool boat, 2025 Aviara 28 Sport. This is a pre-owned boat, but as close to new as you can possibly get. Sitting at just 16 engine hours on the V8 big block by MerCruiser. Forward-facing drive. This boat has it all: ballast tanks, power tower, wakeboard attachment up on the top of the hardtop, aft-facing camera, black hull side, windlass anchor, light interior upholstery, in phenomenal shape. Just a great sport boat, day boat, however you're going to use it. This boat can really just do it all. We'll hop on board and take you through a few of the features. As we start here in the bow area, you can see spacious bow seating, real high freeboard. So as you sit down up here, it feels very, very safe. You're inside the boat, not sitting on top of the boat. Up in the front, we have a windlass anchor. Wraparound windshield. This window here will fold over, and then a closing door as well to give you complete protection as you're running the boat. The way we've designed this with a side console provides a nice access point into your head. So we have a marine head, Dometic head, sink, storage, and a plenty of space as you step down below. Here at the helm, nicely appointed with electronics, we have a Simrad GPS. And off to the right, you have complete control over the entire boat, from the power tower to the ballast tanks, for wakeboarding and skiing. Very intuitive, easy to use. You have some redundant switching here. Control your tabs, Mercury throttle and shift with your active engine trim. As we look back, you have a great social platform. So not only is this boat great for water sports, but just a great day boat for entertainment out in the water. This boat was outfitted with the light gray upholstery. As you can see, everything's in perfect shape. This boat's really as close to new as you can possibly get. It was also outfitted with the summer kitchen, which is rare. So we have a grill, sink, and a refrigerator down below. As we walk back, you have a nice sun pad. Big swim platform with the fold down step. And then your switch for the power tower is right here. It's a super cool feature for, we won't go all the way down, but great feature for getting under bridges, storage. If you get caught in a rainstorm, bring it down. It's gonna give you some protection. So this goes pretty much all the way down. And that's controlled right here. You can see your attachment point for skiing and wakeboarding up here at the top with the aft camera. Again, guys, this is a 2025 Aviara 28 Surf. About as new as you can possibly get right here. Feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. You can reach me at 561-635-6811 to set up a showing or learn a little bit more about this boat.